You gotta use your tool to be a tool. Okay, so scales have to be removed. Okay, you can use, you don't need a tool to do this. You can use a knife to do it, but it's much easier to do it with this. Right? Okay, this is what you do. Go like that. Okay, and just go along the backbone. Okay, go along the backbone, and when you touch the rib cage, you just use the tip of your knife to go along the rib cage, kind of peeling. Okay, sort of like a peeling. That's it. And you go the other way, the other side. The same way, just different direction. Okay, like that. Here we go. And you see that? That's egg sac. The fresher the fish, the better it tastes. But you could, since these fish were alive till now, you can freeze it as is, and you can eat this meat raw if you want later on. It tastes much better to eat that. Eat the sashimi now because it's so fresh. But that's it. Okay. Cook and eat. Okay, that's it. See? Cut it. You have to make sure you cut it this way. Okay? Can't do it this way because there are many small bones that you need to cut. Go like that. Could do it this way too. But you have to make sure you're going against the bone, okay? From the tail to the head, and make sure these are so very thin. You can wash it like this, right? In a clean cold water, and eat it as is. But there's another way. You pour boiling water, almost boiling water, right? Then that's it. Then you wash cold water, cold running water. You keep this in the refrigerator for a while till you're ready to eat. Okay? And you eat it with sweet and sour miso paste, miso sauce, or just regular soy sauce. Okay, that's it.